MTV.
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 MTV starts now.
Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you. These days are all happy and free. These days are all, share them with me. Goodbye, gray sky, hello blue. There's nothing can hold me when I hold you. It feels so right, it can't be wrong. Rockin' and rollin' all week long. These days are all happy and free. These happy days are yours and mine. These happy days are yours and mine. Happy days.
Good morning, Marauders. Today is September 15th. I'm Ruby Fiori, and you're watching MTV. As you all know, we are in the month of September, but what a lot of you probably don't know is that it's National Hispanic Heritage Month. Let's go watch this video to learn more about it.
The way we celebrate Independence Day in Mexico, it's basically a 2-day celebration, the 15th and the 16th of September. On the 15th, we get together, or all the families, people from town, cities, they get together in City Hall where they yell out all the names of the characters and people that fought for our Independence Day. And on the 16th, it's all the schools, they parade downtown City Hall, main streets. They do traditional folkloric dances, traditional Mexican food, and then at the end of the night, we celebrate with fireworks. And that's how we basically celebrate our Independence Day in Mexico.
That video was really interesting. Next, we have a video about the tips for online learning.
Hey Marauders, keep in mind that online learning is difficult for all of us. Make sure you have your proper utensils. Join in your meetings 5 minutes before class. And for brunch, go get something to eat and thank your parents for making you food and having patience with you guys.
Thank you for the food, Mom. I'll see you later.
Have a good spaced area and be in a room where it's quiet so it helps you focus better. After each class, remember to get up and stretch so you can relax the muscles in your body and not get tired of sitting and staring at a screen for a long period of time. Having a calendar is very useful to keep important due dates for homework and to keep track of Zoom meetings so you never miss anything. Make sure to turn in your work ahead of time. Do not procrastinate so you don't stress about the work that is given to you. Lastly, get plenty hours of rest.
Now that I know more about online learning, all I need to know is the supplies I need. Let's take a look at this back to school checklist.
Are you worried, scared, confused about what you need for school? Well, now you don't have to worry, because I'm here to tell you what you need. So first off, we're going to start off with a laptop or computer. You're going to need a laptop or computer with a working mic and a working camera so your teachers can hear you and see you. Third, you're going to need a notebook or paper so you're ready to take notes for when your teacher needs you. And of course, you're going to need pencils, pens, and highlighters so you can write, annotate, and highlight. Next, you're going to need Wi-Fi or internet, and if you don't have Wi-Fi, know that the school is providing a hotspot. Lastly, make sure you have a quiet area to work with no distractions so you and your classmates can work. And of course, this isn't only it. Your teachers have also sent out a syllabus of what you will be needing for their class. So always make sure to check your Gmail. Other than that, I believe this is all you will be needing. Good luck, Marauders!
Now that I have everything I need, I can stay home and do my distance learning. But if you do decide to go out, here's the do's and don'ts of wearing a mask.
Hey Marauders, we're 6 months into quarantine, and for most of us, wearing a mask is second nature already. But some of us are still making mistakes while wearing our masks, whether it be a bandana, a surgical mask, or any other type of mask. Your nose and mouth should stay within the mask at all times. You should never pull your mask down to breathe or talk to the person next to you. Remember, wearing your mask correctly not only protects you, but everyone else around you. Stay safe and remember to wear your mask the right way.
Well, at least if I decide to go out into public, I'll know how to do it safely. I bet you don't know what day's coming up. This video will tell you more about it.
Ahoy, me land lovers.
today be September 19th, 2020, the day we talk like a pirate. Arr! Looky here, a treasure map, to which some treasure may be near. Let us go find me treasure. Here. Don't need this anymore. Sour cream and onion.
I can't wait for Talk Like a Pirate Day. Do you ever wonder how teachers feel about TikTok? Here's a video of Mrs. Page reacting to them.
Hey, it's Addie here, and I'm with Addie's mom. And we're gonna be rating those TikTok boys! Basically, I'll be showing my mom a bunch of TikTok boys that some girls love and most other people hate. To start, you have to give them a 1 through 10 rate.
So love or hate?
Yes, but 1 through 10. So the first person I'll be showing my mom is Josh Richards.
Well, he looks like a nice young man. Now, I have to tell you, it looks like his pants are sagging, so I'm going to give him I'll give him like a 5, because he's a cute kid.
Next boy is my favorite boy out of all of them, Noah Beck. He is amazing. He's just all around perfect. So.
That's a cute young man, but he needs a haircut, sis. I'm troubled by the... he's got bangs.
Not the bang.
Not the bang.
Not a bang!
I'm going to give him an ant, too. Not my fave. So sorry.
What? This one, most people do not like him, actually. This is Bryce Hall. Not my cup of tea. I don't like him.
How you doing? Sorry. He's got great arms. You know what, though? Face not the best. 5-ish.
Next, we have Griffin Johnson.
Why did that picture? First of all, his tongue looks huge. 7.
Next, we have Anthony. He used to be my favorite.
No. I don't know. He looks hairy. 4. Don't tell his mother.
But we also have Vinny. His name's Vinny. He's just very built. He has abs.
Okay, that is the most attractive young man that you have shown me all day long. Cute kid. Cute kid. Great smile. I don't even mind his hair that much. So I'm giving this kid like an 8, 9.
Boom! Lastly, we have Taylor Holder.
Cute kid. Great skin. Great skin. Hate his hair. I'd give him an 8.
She did not give a 9 or a 10. 1. Okay, well, that concludes rating TikTok boys. How'd it go?
I had a good time. I felt like maybe the boys were a bit young for me.
But I mean, age is just a number. So
No, that's not true. No.
Okay, well, tune in next time for another episode.
During quarantine, if you ever get tired of trying to learn TikTok dances, why not try arts and crafts? Let's watch this video on how to do tie-dye from home. Wow, I might just have to try that. How well do you know your music? Let's find out during this Guess the Song challenge.
Hello everybody, I'm Berenize and welcome to Guess the Song challenge. Today we have Christian Bermudez and Errol Bermudez going against each other to see who can guess the most songs. So how this is going to go is the point system is you can get 2 points in total, one for knowing the artist and the other one for knowing the song title. And let's get started. You guys ready? Okay, first song. Yes.
Enrique Iglesias Hero.
Correct. Okay.
The girl artist.
Okay, because I was about to get something so different.
I'm a girl's girl. I'm a boss in a man's world.
I'm going to just throw out a name and say, I don't know. I've heard that song before though, and it's not her, so I don't know. I'm gonna say Olivia O'Brien, something Purple Eater.
No.
Yeah, I know.
I have no idea what that is.
What is it?
Tomboy by Destiny Rogers.
It's Ed Sheeran, Lego House.
Hey!
Oh, I
hey!
didn't see-
Hey! It's
Good.
Ed Sheeran, Lego House.
Okay.
Dang it! I was trying to figure out the song before I started singing because I knew she was gonna get it.
She walked away from a cheap.
Harry Styles, I think.
Yeah, it is Harry Styles, but it's Is it Kiwi?
Yes, it's Kiwi.
Yeah, wow.
Kiwi by Harry Styles.
I think I have like 4. Chasing Cars by someone. I don't know.
Snow Patrol. They're usually random rock band names like that. This is probably Taylor Swift.
Camila Cabello. I don't know what the song
Yeah, I
is.
don't remember the song either.
Another 10?
Sure.
Glasses on the sink, they didn't fix you. Lonely pillows in a stranger's bed. Little voices in my head.
Voices in my head.
No.
Pain. I don't know.
Nope.
What was it? She only got the 1 point.
Consequences by Camila Cabello.
Dang.
I actually heard that song. It's at the bottom of the album.
Thank you for joining us in this Guess the Song Challenge with Christian Bermudez and Errol Bermudez, and see you later.
Well, Marauders, this is the end of our episode. My name's Ruby Fiori, and I'm signing off.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way.